I've had this thought out for weeks and I've just been putting it off because I can't be arsed. And now here we are, I'm sitting here on the ground thinking, what the fuck am I doing with my day? Today's job is one that will please OCD sufferers around the world. Might be over-exaggerating this a bit, but, you know, you get the idea. I'm talking, obviously, about Scarlett's magnificent Cobalt exhaust, so obviously this was fitted about a year ago, and since then, well, it's always been a little bit wonky. And to be perfectly honest, as someone who suffers slightly from the old OCD himself from time to time, it keeps me awake at night. And if you think that that's stupid, fight me. Would you look at that? She's jacked up and everything. Editing, I tell you. So, what are we going to need? Well, we're going to need this to try and make things better. And don't let yourself be fooled. I know it's from this place, but yeah, it was the only place I could think of to get one of these from. We're going to need this contraption, which looks like the sort of thing that you would see in a horror movie. And we're going to need some replacement ones of these, I think. And that's basically it. I'll allow a moment for a pause for you to go, yeah, what's going to go wrong? Let's begin. So, this is the point where I need to pretend that I know what I'm doing, and let's begin. Oh, first things first, look at that, something that we'll need to address at a later date. There's a lot of crustiness under here. Get state of that. Oof. Yeah, we'll be replacing the sway bars at some point, but not what we're here for today. What we are here for is this over here. So obviously these are the original hangers, or hangers that have been put in place, and well, as you can see, this is totally not supported, but there is a bit of a reason for that, because over here is the half shafts, and those can hit this, so I need to be very wary about how much I raise this up, and it's not going to be easy to determine how high I want to go, if at all much. I think I'm going to go for this one over here. I think I'm going to go for this one. Just need to get this out. So, if I want to put that there, so by putting that on there, that would go through there. Screw that down. And then, I'm not sure how this is going to work. I did think about over this side, but just not exactly the way I thought this would go. Put it through there. Alright, I think that's an idea. Let's see if we can push this thingy on. I think it's probably going to need a bit of extreme persuasion to get this on, to be honest. Oh! That went on no bother. I expected that to put up a fight. It didn't! So, with that on there, you put this on like this. That'll pull that up, but that's not where I want that going. Fuck. We'll be right back. yeah, that would do the job. It's all about tightness. Right, we've got it, we've got it, we've got it, we've got it. Let's go! Well, strike while the iron is hot. Let's just go with this. Right, so put that there. We'll loosely do it first, see if it actually works. So, put that in there. Open that on. Right, so now with the Polybush and that there, will that do what I want it to do? Bring this up? Will it? Does it? I'm not so sure, you know. Need a bolt. Need a bolt. Yeah. So, back under here. Oh. This is where you need to become multi-dexterous. That's not me. So, put that through that. Stretch the hell out of this. Oh, I say. You know, I've made that mistake again of underestimating the job and thinking it was going to be easy when it's one of those where I've had this thought out for weeks and I've just been putting it off because I can't be arsed. And now here we are, I'm sitting here on the ground thinking, what the fuck am I doing with my day? Right. It's a trusty old 10mm, so I'll get that on there. Are you serious? Bolt's not big enough. Fuck. That just pulled straight fucking through there. Oh, Jesus, tonight. I thought I had big enough ones here with the washers and everything. I'm going to do that again. You don't have to watch it though. Not to self, remember and fling on bigger washers. Alright, let's do that again. And every day's a school day. Frankly, everything I do on this car is a fucking school day. But I didn't say I was a pro. Never likely to be one either. This looks a bit crude, but I think it's actually up a bit higher. If anything, at least it's supported now. That's at least something. I can bend that back. Now, while this might end up being a complete and utter disaster, and I've done that for absolutely nothing, there is one job we can do, and that is get out the pliers. Because as you can see under here, the hanger that's up there is pretty heavily perished, and I thought, well, when in Rome, might as well change it. We're here now, so let's see if we can get this one off. So this doohickey goes up here, and I think all this does is pulls it off. Oh yeah! Look at that! Oh! There we go, got it now. So that's come off of there, so just need to get it off of here. And there we are. Hey, voila! That's the old one off. So the less, it's pretty much identical, like for like, but I mean that's so compliant, it's ridiculous when you look at it, whereas that's pretty tough to move. Right, let's see how easy it is to put this one on. Good! Which way would be the best way to do it? Let's put it on the car first. Yeah, put it on the car first. Jesus! That's not having it. Shock horror. Maybe it's time to break out the lube. Oh, there we go. Bit of the old penetration. And then yeah, that's that one. That actually already feels a bit more solid. Right then, let's get Scarlett back on. Oh, close. Hang on, I'll zoom you out. There we go. Right, let's get Scarlett back on the deck. We'll see if that has made even the slightest bit of difference. Yes, I know. There will be so many people out there go, oh, why don't you change the other ones? I only bought 2, and there's only one other one under there, and it has already been heavily fortified with cable ties, and as we all know, those are bulletproof. This video should be titled Exhaust Modifications or something like that, but it's actually going to be entitled I know, I've wasted my fucking time. It's made no difference. Oh well. I think in order to get it completely levelled off, it would require dropping that side, because this side can't go up much because of the half shafts or whatever. Fuck. Yeah. Oh well, maybe another job for another day in another year's time when I can be bothered doing it. But on that note, we'll call it quits. As always, if you've sat through the entirety of this waste of time, thank you so much, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, fuck, I've just wasted an hour of my life.